俱乐部，它要解决的是运转了几十年的金融体系老化的问题。欧洲那些老化的体系系统极其复杂，但是中国的问题，我认为正好相反，中国不是金融系统性风险，因为中国金融基本上没有系统，而是中国是缺乏金融系统缺乏金融系统的风险。中国的金融和其他刚成长起来的发展中国家一样，在金融业我们是青春少年，还没有成熟的生态系统，没有完全的流动起来。大银行，中国有很多大银行，更像是大江大河和血液的动脉。但是我们今天更需要湖泊，需要水塘，需要小溪小河，需要各种各样的沼泽地。
Welcome back. I want to share some very big news that has been developing this morning out of China. Of course, as our viewers know, we've been following the prospective IPO of Ant Financial, the largest initial public offering of all time, not listing here in the United States, but would be listing or was said to be ready to list in Hong Kong and on the relatively new Star Market in Shanghai. And again, distributing shares around the world, including to many U.S.-based investors. All of that appears this morning to be going up in smoke. The Shanghai Exchange and we also know Hong Kong as well have both essentially suspended the listing this morning. It's very much not completely clear, at least at this point, what is at stake.
Well, developments over the weekend, that's putting even more pressure on Jack Ma's empire. Alibaba affiliate Ant Group met with Chinese regulators that set out a 5-point compliance agenda for the fintech giant that would upend its business model, one that was valued north of $300 billion just before it pulled its IPO about a month ago. Now, it includes orders to revamp its credit business and return to its roots in payments. And where Ant's loan model has been asset light, meaning that it didn't take on much of the risk, it would now have to put up more of its own capital and be regulated more like a bank. So these are big changes for this company.
Thanks so much, Sarah. Well, Jack Ma has been noticeably silent after his high-profile critical rebuke of Chinese regulators back in October. He was even a no-show for a television program that he himself had created, which is an African version of Shark Tank. So the company says that the executives that he was swapped out for another executive at the company because of a scheduling conflict. But as you can imagine, his absence has been raising a lot of speculation as to exactly where he is, whether or not he's been disappeared by authorities, if he's fled the country, or perhaps just laying low.